everybody. Hi, everybody. You got a new, little, what's it called?
Surprise. LOL pet.
Surprise.
A new LOL pet. Show everybody. Yay! What do? You open it. Go.
Yeah. And I want to get this so I can look for clues, everybody.
Oh, you want to get the little thing to look for clues?
Yeah, I want to get this one.
You need help opening or you got it?
Oh, I need some help.
Okay, I help you. Opening it up, Gabby. What's the clue? Oh my god, we can't see it. Alright, we need to keep opening.
What's it say, Mum?
We can't see it. We need the little eye thing. The little eye thing. So, come on.
Hey, where's blue?
Is it a blue one?
Yeah.
We got a blue ball. We got a blue ball. Open that up, Gabby. We got a blue ball. What's the next layer bring? Did it bring stickers?
No.
Are you sure? Check the wrapper properly. Are the stickers there? No? No sticker. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Only this was the sticker.
Only that one. Okay. Open the next layer. Can you open it? You got it! Yay! I wonder who we got. Did you get the I spy? Show everybody. Ooh, are you a detective?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep opening it up. I help you.
It's like a mouth thing, see?
Oh, look a mirror for the mouth the dentist used.
Yeah.
Alright, I help you open. What have you got?
Hey, you got sand!
Okay, we open the sand last, okay?
Hey, where's the blind bag? Hey.
Where are the blind bags?
Go with blind bags.
Okay, I help you open them so you can show everybody, okay?
I have to get soup.
So we got our clue, and we need to find clues to fill this sheet. And at the back we have the checklist with all the cuties. I wonder who we got. Go. Who's inside? What is it? What's that? What is that?
Outfit.
An outfit. Wow. Put it down.
Hey, no,
What is
it's
it?
a mask.
A mask?
Hey,
It's a little. Oh no, it is an outfit. Okay, who else did you get?
hey, it's a diver.
Oh wow, dog thing. Let's have a look.
Hey, it's a diver. It's a diver.
It's some sort of
diver.
What does it say?
It's
It
a
says
diver.
cuddle bag.
Cuddle bag?
Okay, what's in the other bag? You got little snuggle one. You got snuggle babes. You got little skunk. The skunk one. What's it called?
skunk?
Here, Les Skunk Baby. You got. It's called
Hey,
Les Skunk Baby. No, at the back. You got Les Skunk Baby. So, and the scoop. Show me the scoop. Where's the scoop? Wow, it's a white scoop. Okay, it's time for the sand.
Yeah.
Okay, go digging. I heard the sand changes color, but we don't have any UV lights, so we can't change the color. Next time we can check with the UV light. I'll have to buy one. What'd you find in there? What'd you find? Shoes? Did you find shoes?
Hey, there's
Show me the shoes. One shoe. Show everybody the shoe. It's so cute.
Hey, you got one shoe.
Oh, one shoe?
It's
Where's the other
one.
Where's the shoe? Right there.
One.
A white shoe. Where's the rest of the shoes?
Hey,
Can you find the rest of the shoes?
it doesn't on there.
No. Where's the rest of the shoes? Oh, the plastic thing came off. See, this time. Okay, so we got two shoes, two whites and two blacks. And they did the little plastic covers, but they've come off and look, sand in the shoes. So it doesn't work quite right. Anyways, say bye.
Bye.
Say have a good day.
Hey, I don't want to say bye.